Northern California earthquake. 4.3 earthquake shakes Mendocino County just after midnight. A magnitude 4.3 earthquake rattled Mendocino County early Monday, according to the United States Geological Survey. The quake hit at 12:16 a.m. PST at a depth of 1.9 miles. The epicenter was 7.5 miles southeast of Willits, 13.7 miles north of Ukiah and 31 miles east-southeast of Fort Bragg. There was no initial word on damage or injury resulting from the quake. 397 Northern California residents reported feeling this quake. It was felt as far north as Laytonville and as far south as Manchester.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.